Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be getting these out of the living room. They've been laying in the living room for about 2 weeks now. I got these Marketplace, paid like 20 bucks for them. Did have to spend another 10 bucks on these little stoppers. And went to Lowe's looking for 3.5-inch brackets. Of course they don't have them. And probably a good thing, because let me show you what we got going on here and why it's a little bit of an issue. My van, when I looked under it, I have these like 3.5-inch block spacers on here, whatever they are. So, just to give you an example, these ladder bars are going to go way down here. So I got about 8 inches or so that I got to make a bracket. So I went into my bin of hope. I'm pretty sure everybody has a bin of hope. And love to say I found them, but I didn't. So I had to run to the store and I bought a bunch of these. Now these are 12-inch, way longer than I need. So I'm pretty much just gonna make myself some brackets. Pop these on here, weld them, and pray for the best. So let's get started. Alright, so we have our new and improved 3.5-inch by 12-inch clamps all made. Should have mentioned, don't breathe around this galvanized shit when you're welding. It's very, very bad for you. So I'm going to pop under free candy here, grab the bars, and we're going to mount these up. Nothing really to see there. These just get draped over the leaf spring and hang down. So, let's go. Alright, here we are. We are all set. As you can see, nice, discreet. Don't know if I'm gonna leave them chrome. Might paint them. We'll see. Yeah, we got about, I don't know, 1.5 inches or so before the bump stop hits, but we can adjust that up or down. We'll see. But yeah, these are on here. They're tight. They ain't going nowhere. So guys, that'll just about do it. Nice, quick little short video. Maybe I'll loop this in with something else. Maybe I'll just kind of keep it as a short. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.